you tired of cooking every day? This is my rescue recipe when I don't feel like cooking. Easy, quick broccolis and bacon penne pasta. First, let's just quickly look through the steps. Before everything, start boiling water and cook broccolis and bacon. Pour the sauce. Cook the pasta and drain the pasta. Put into the sauce and combine well. And done! This is easy, isn't it? I'm gonna show you step by step from now. Let's get started. Ingredients are only these. 1 bag of penne pasta and 1 jar of marinara sauce. The dry pasta is about 1 pound and the sauce is about 24 ounces. Some bacon slices and broccolis, and some olive oil, and salt and pepper. This amount makes about 4 to 5 servings of pasta, so this is good for weekly meal preps as well. First, in the biggest pot in your kitchen, boil a lot of water. Boiling water takes the longest time for this cooking actually. Remember to put a lid on to make water boil faster. Okay, now while boiling the water, let's make the sauce. I use this cast iron skillet. I forgot the exact size, but it's between 10 to 11 inches. Get ready a chopping board and a little knife and slice the bacons into bite-sized pieces. And then now broccolis too, cut into bite-sized pieces. Okay, now I'm gonna cook them. Pour some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, and place the broccolis first. And on top of the broccolis, place the bacon. This way you can keep bacon's soft texture. If you like crispy bacon, do the opposite way. To enhance the taste, put the lid on. You can steam the vegetables and the bacon for a while. After steaming for a while, stir a little bit and pour the sauce into the skillet. Here, my no need to follow sprinkling gram-like technique. Just forget about it. After adding the sauce, simmer the sauce for a while. Meanwhile, the water is boiling now, so let's cook the pasta. This pasta is only 99 cents. I bought it from Trader Joe's. Always check the package to see how long you need to cook the pasta. It says 11 minutes here. Oh, I nearly forgot to add some salt. Just 1 teaspoon of salt to taste the pasta. Don't forget to check the sauce time to time. It seems to be okay. So stir well and turn off the heat. The sauce is done now. Let's wait for the pasta to be cooked. While waiting for the pasta to be cooked, let's get ready for the serving dishes. When the pasta is cooked, get ready a colander or a sieve. I only have a sieve, so I will use this one to drain my pastas. Okay, I drained the pasta very well and put it in the skillet and stir well. It's done already. Let's transfer to the serving bowl. The rest of the pasta you can store in a container and save them for later. Grind some peppers and sprinkle Parmesan cheese. Garnish some parsley. Here you are. It's done. Let's eat. Thank you for watching my channel. See you soon. Bye.